Hi guys, welcome back to another beard care video on my channel and thanks so much for tuning in again. Now in today's video I want to talk about my personal beard care routine. That means how do I keep my beard in shape, what kind of grooming products do I use and when do I use them. So today's video is going to be all about my beard and what I do to make it look good. So first of all, it's all about maintaining shape on one hand and also using the correct grooming products and using them at the correct times on the other hand. So it's on one hand the shaping part and on the other hand it's the grooming part, and there are some things that I do daily, some things that I do weekly and some things that I do in between. And it's actually pretty easy because all the things that I do in terms of its shape, so that means trimming and also shaving my outlines, that is something that I do just pretty much on a weekly basis. So each week I shave my outlines, that means my neckline as well as my cheek line with a straight razor. I do a wet shave each week because I feel that it's the most comforting to my skin. It's also the most accurate ever, and it's also super quick if you know how to do it. If you want to see a tutorial on that, please let me know in the comment section down below. And kind of in the same time frame I do a little bit of a trim. Now the trim doesn't happen every week. Sometimes it's every 2 weeks, sometimes it's every 3 weeks. It just kind of depends on how much time I have and if I really feel like it's time to trim and if I really feel like I have enough time in terms of my schedule to trim. So I use a small professional hair trimmer for that I also sell in my German online shop, and that's pretty much everything that I do in terms of shaping. So if you look at some of my older videos, you might recognize that my current beard length is pretty short compared to what I was wearing back then. And back then I basically didn't trim at all because I just let it grow out and I had this big handlebar mustache at some point. And so of course you can also take this route as well, or just fit the trimming to whatever length you want to have it, and also how comfortable you feel with wearing a beard that is not like super tightly and accurately trimmed. However, I found out that I personally like this medium kind of length and that I also like it when it's super neatly trimmed, so that's what I'm doing right now. In terms of grooming products, I also like to keep it simple. I only use one product in terms of the whole moisturizing thing. So I use beard oil, a German beard oil that I absolutely love. But for all you US fans, I totally love Beard Brand. I love their stuff. I was a long-time ambassador for them, brand ambassador. Believe it or not, at my channel size, that was a thing back then. And I even sold some of their products in Germany, but unfortunately they no longer sell to Europe. So that's a big bummer, but I can totally recommend their stuff to you. You can use their balms as well as their oils, but I personally love beard oil because it's just so easy to use. It gives you some kind of smoothing effect if you use it before blow drying, which is actually something I do. So when I get out of the shower, since I wash my beard with water every single day and only shampoo it twice a week, which is also a part of my grooming routine, I only shampoo my beard every second day or maybe sometimes even only twice a week because my skin just works better like this. You know, I don't like to shampoo every day, also not for my hair, because my skin is pretty dry, and even if I use sulfate-free shampoo, that doesn't mean that my skin doesn't get dry, especially on my face, where the skin is in general a lot thinner than on your head. So whatever, I get out of the shower, my beard is still damp. I pat it dry a little bit with a towel and I don't dry it completely immediately because then I will use like 4 to 6 drops, which is kind of a lot with this beard length, but I use 5 to 6 drops because that works totally fine for me. I apply the beard oil evenly and then I use a blow dryer on medium heat with a high speed, and I use my round brush because I found out that this works really very well if you use a round brush on your beard. So thanks to Greg Brzezinski from the Beard Brand channel for showing me this, because it's just the most revolutionizing thing I've ever done. So depending on which beard oil you use, it either helps or doesn't help with the smoothing process. I totally enjoy the smoothing properties of jojoba and argan oil, so I use beard oil also as a smoothing ingredient for my beard so that all the hairs are tidied up, and that's about everything that I do in terms of my daily grooming routine. So just as a quick conclusion, because that was a lot of jibber jabber right there, I use beard oil every single day in the morning after showering when my beard is still damp. I shampoo or use soap only every second day on my beard because I found that my skin works better with this, and then I trim and shave once a week to get all my outlines straight and to get get my beard all neat and tidy. And that's about everything that I do to my beard in terms of my beard care routine. Now, I'm super interested to read about all your grooming routines, so please let me know in the comment section down below what kind of grooming routine you do you have. How often do you shave? Do you shave every single day or only once a week or something in between? What is your grooming routine in terms of your beard care? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm super excited to read about all your comments. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.